And new tonight, a penny sales tax back on the ballot in Rogers County. The tax is used to maintain the county's roads and bridges. 2
Works for You's Ashley Wheeler is live there tonight to explain what's at stake in tomorrow's election.
This bridge behind me is next on the list for an update, but if voters check no tomorrow, commissioners say they won't have enough money to fix it.
But it is passed every year, sometimes by a large margin, sometimes not so large, but we have always had it.
After being voted down in last year's election, the 1-cent sales tax is up for another vote Tuesday. Commissioner Steve Hendricks was shocked when it didn't pass in June and believes the question was lost on an overcrowded ballot.
It was worded rather vaguely. State statutes had changed over the last few years on what you could say, what you couldn't say on a state question ballot, and we don't feel like it was worded very well.
The tax was originally voted on in 1988 and renewed every 5 years to upkeep the county's 1,100 miles of roads and 120 bridges. This one recently finished in September, and it's something resident Susie Kelsey believes makes a big difference.
Yeah, they seem to be pretty well maintained. If that's what it's going to go for, then, you know, I'm good. I'm all for it.
The tax counts for about 2/3 of each county commissioner's budget, and without it, Hendricks says it would require them to reduce their workforce and eliminate any non-essential services and force them to sell equipment.
Although we've repaired and replaced many bridges, we still have a number of bridges that are structurally deficient, built back in the 40s and 50s. They're too narrow. We need to improve the safety of those bridges.
The county has not had the sales tax money since last September. If the sales tax passes tomorrow, it will be a permanent tax. Commissioner Hendricks says they do have the ability to remove it if they feel it's ever no longer needed. Reporting live in Owasso, Ashley Wheeler, 2 Works for You.